Good morning, children. Welcome back to the Good morning, children. Welcome back to the English class. Today's date is 14th August 2020. So we have been doing module 4 from the English workbook, right? So in our previous class, what we did? Did you remember? Let us do a quick recap of what we have learned in our previous class. We have learned the naming words are called nouns. Then we have learned the definition of pronoun. A pronoun is a word that is used in place of a noun. Then after that we have come to know that sentences have two parts, a subject and an object. A subject is the person or thing doing the action, and object is the person or thing receiving the action. Now, for example, the teacher is teaching the students. The teacher is the subject here and the students are the object. Why? Because the teacher is doing the action. She is teaching, right? I am teaching. Yes or no? And you are listening to me. Therefore, you are receiving. Whatever I am speaking, whatever I am teaching, you are receiving it, right? So you are the object and I am the subject. Now, how do we use the subject pronoun and object pronoun? A subject pronoun takes place of a subject in a sentence. An object pronoun takes place of an object in a sentence. Now, the teacher is teaching the students, right? Now, if you see, teacher will become I, because the I is, instead of the teacher, we will be using I because it is the pronoun. And for the students, I will be using you because it is the pronoun for the object students. Now, I am teaching you, right? The teacher is teaching the students. And if we change the subject into subject pronoun and object into object pronoun, it will become I am teaching you. So this is how we replace it. Okay. Now let's move towards this one, replacing nouns with pronouns, which we already did, but this is a recap of whatever we did. Okay. Now let's see here. Mohit can see Sahil. Mohit waves to Sahil. Mohit greets Sahil. If you can see here in 3 sentences, we are using Mohit and Sahil, Mohit, Sahil, Mohit and Sahil, right? But now we can use he in place of Mohit and him in place of Sahil for after the first time. In the first sentence, we will be using Mohit and Sahil because we have to introduce them, right? Who is whom? So Mohit can see Sahil, right? And instead of Mohit, we will be using he. And instead of Sahil, we will be using him. He waves to him. Then next is he greets to him. So we have replaced Mohit with he and Sahil with him. Okay. So Mohit can see Sahil. He waves to him. He greets to him. Done. So now let's move towards the exercise, that is exercise 3.2. Here the exercise is about rewrite the sentences with the correct object pronouns for the underlined nouns. One is done for you. Okay, so we have to rewrite the sentence by whatever the word has been underlined, we have to change it into pronoun. Clear? The first one is already done for you. The fairy gave Meera 3 wishes. Now Meera has been underlined and Meera is a girl. So which pronoun we will be using? We will be using the pronoun her. So the answer will be the fairy gave her 3 wishes. In the same way, the second one, mother read a story to Poonam and Shreya. So Poonam and Shreya, both words have been underlined. Now here 2 persons are given, right? So it will be a plural. So which pronoun we will be using? We will be using them. Mother read a story to them. Then number 3. Papa gave Farhan and me a few books. Now here Farhan and me has been underlined, right? Now it is about Farhan and me. So which pronoun we will be using? We will be using us because it is about us, right? Papa gave us a few books. So you will be writing us here. The next 4, 5 and 6 is your homework. You have the chart in your book as well as the chart that I have given in my previous class. You can take the help of those charts to do this exercise. Clear? Now let's move on to the next exercise, which is exercise 3.3. Fill in the blanks by choosing the correct pronouns. One is done for you. Same way, but this is a paragraph, okay? Let's start. The squirrel family is going for a picnic. So this is a story about a squirrel and its family and the whole family. So as it is about family, that means it is a plural, right? So the option is given. They and her have packed a picnic basket. So here it will be they because the whole family is going, right? So it is a plural. Therefore, we will be using they. The next. Dash is filled with nuts, fruits and seeds. So remember, they have packed a picnic basket and in the basket they have got or they have filled with nuts, fruits and seeds. Now, do you know the basket is a male or a female? We don't know. So when we don't know whether the basket is a male or a female, so what we will be using? We will be using the pronoun it. Okay? It is filled with nuts, fruits and seeds. Papa squirrel is running around. Dash will get late if we do not hurry. Who will get late? We or us? It will be we. We will get late if we do not hurry, he says. Now, Mummy squirrel is not worried. Dash worried too much. She tells Papa squirrel. Who worries too much? You, because Mummy is telling to father, right? To the Papa. So, you worry too much. She tells Papa squirrel. Meanwhile, baby squirrel is packing paper plates and glasses. He puts Dash in the picnic basket with the food. What he puts? He puts plates and glasses. So it will become them. He puts them in the picnic basket with the food. He says, the plates and glasses are with I or me. He says, the plates and glasses are with me. So this is the answer. Let's read out together. The squirrel family is going for a picnic. They have packed a picnic basket. It is filled with nuts, fruits and seeds. Papa squirrel is running around. We will get late if we do not hurry, he says. Mummy squirrel is not worried. You worry too much, she tells Papa squirrel. Meanwhile, baby squirrel is packing paper plates and glasses. He puts them in the picnic basket with the food. He says, the plates and glasses are with me. Now let's move towards the next one. So, here also this is a paragraph given. So the exercise 3.4 is telling us replace the underlined words with suitable subject and object pronouns and complete the passage. One is done for you. So you have to write the whole passage, okay? After changing it to subject and object pronouns, you have to write the whole paragraph in the given space. Below there is a space given, the lines are given there, so you have to write it there. Now let's start with the first one. Rushi is good friends with her brother Ricky. Rushi and Ricky are having an ice cream cone each. Now Rushi and Ricky love eating ice cream. So Rushi and Ricky, they're both two people are there, right? So that's why they have used they. They, we are pointing to them, right? So Rushi and Ricky, so they love eating ice cream. Rushi always buys Ricky ice cream. Now Rushi is a girl, so we will be using which pronoun? We will be using here she. She always buys Ricky. Ricky is which pronoun? As he is a boy, it will be he. She always buys, sorry, it will be him, okay? Because the he will be receiving the ice cream, right? So it will become him. She always buys him ice cream. Ricky says, Ricky, am enjoying this ice cream. Will Ricky say like this? No, Ricky will say, I am. I am enjoying this ice cream. Then Rushi says, let Ricky and me take some ice cream for mommy and papa. That means let us. Because me is there, Ricky and me, right? So here we will be writing us. Let us take some ice cream for mommy and papa. Rushi and Ricky buy some ice cream cones for mommy and papa. So, who are mommy and papa? Which pronoun we will be using? We will be using them. Okay. So, this is how you are going to write it in the paragraph, as a paragraph in the given space below. So, we have come to the end of the class. So, go through it properly. We will start the left out exercises in my next class. Okay. So, you are in my class. Thank you.